Okay, ya pensar. Hi guys, so this is a quick tutorial on how to download photos from Google. Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to download photos from Google and re-upload them to an assignment or an activity, especially on Seesaw. So let's get started. If you do not have the Google app or the Chrome app, scroll through your iPad. Some of you may have it, some of you may not. But if you don't, that's okay, because we could use Safari. Safari is this blue circle icon with the compass on it. So go ahead and click on that. Open to a new tab and press Google. Now once you're in Google, go ahead and search something up that you could use for the assignment, adjectives and nouns. I'm going to use that assignment particularly to demonstrate how to download images and upload them back into Seesaw. So for my example, I thought of a sweater, but not like a regular sweater. I want to see more like a drawing of a sweater or a clip art of a sweater. So I'm going to search that. I'm going to go to images. I'm going to scroll through to see what can I use for my assignment, because I need to identify the noun and then describe it with 2 adjectives. And I like this one. This one's going to work out. The next thing you're going to do, once you select your image, press it down on the image, and you should see this drop down menu appear. Next, you're going to click on Add to Photos. Once you click that, go ahead and open your Photos app. You should see your most recent photo should be the image you save. If it's not here, go ahead and redo that last step. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Seesaw, to that assignment. Let's read the instructions. This is directions. From our recorded lesson, we know we can use up to 3 adjectives to describe a noun. Upload 4 images of various things and use 2 to 3 adjectives to describe the noun. In the text box, identify the noun and the adjectives. Take a look at our example. So we have our girl chewing bubblegum, sweet pink bubblegum. But let's do our new example. So next what we're going to do, we have our image saved, but we want to upload it back here to this activity. So go ahead and click on the camera icon, and then you should see the upload one with the little cloud with the arrow pointing up. Go ahead and click on that one. And then if you see your photos appear, then you click on your most recent photo of the image that you're going to upload back. Other of you may get like this pop-up window where it says asking permission to open your photos or to see your photos. Go ahead and press OK. So here's my photo of my sweater. I'm going to hit the green arrow check. And then I'm going to make my image smaller so it could fit in the screen. I'm going to type my text box. My noun is the sweater, right, because it's a thing. And the adjectives, I'm going to write ugly Christmas sweater, even though it's not actually ugly. But those are what those sweaters are called. So there, I have my 2 adjectives that modify my noun. Both ugly and Christmas. It describes what kind of sweater it is. Let me know if you have any questions on how to upload images back into Seesaw, and hope this helps. Can't wait to see your posts.